Hello friends, welcome to the fourth travel vlog of our trip to the port city of Visakhapatnam.
After exploring the deepest caves in India, Bora Caves, we headed to the next destination on our agenda, the Araku Valley. If you have missed our previous video on Bora Caves, the link is on top. Please check it out.
On our way, we stopped for a hot cup of coffee.
The museum showcases traditional art, handicrafts, ornaments, and textiles used by the indigenous tribes of the Araku Valley.
After clicking some customary pictures, we entered the native seed gallery. The grains you see on the wall are probably many decades old.
This amphitheatre can accommodate approximately 400 people.
This gallery showcases various aspects in the lives of the tribes. The vessels used by the family for cooking, the farmers' tools, the fishermen's boats and tools, and various other scenes. There is a panchayat scene, recreated with the head of the village panchayat interacting with the witness and the accused. You can also see the musical instruments used by the tribe musicians and the weapons for hunting. Even the doors depict the various art forms of the indigenous people.
This scene is a depiction of traditional liquor extraction from palm trees. After some gallery hopping, we relaxed for some time inside a community hut.
With Bora Caves and Araku Valley checked off our bucket list, we headed back to our hotel room for a good night's sleep.
Rio Beach.
పార్కింగ్ లేదు సార్.
హోటల్ రియో.
రియో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళండి సార్. అక్కడ మీకు చెక్యూరిటీ తీసుకుని వస్తారు, లోపల పెట్టించుకుంటారు సార్. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతే